In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily create your YouTube channel logo without using Photoshop. Okay, on your PC or laptop, open any browser and type snappa.com. For your convenience, I will leave the official Snappa website link in the description. Make use of that. Open this. Yeah. Here just click login. You guys just create one new account. It's just 2 steps. I already created, so I just log in here. Yeah. Here you can do a lot of editing stuffs for free. For now, we are going to create a YouTube channel logo. For YouTube logo, required size will be 800 x 800 in simple 800 width and 800 height. That's it. Now here just enter 800 and 800, then click create. Yes, now template was created. Here you can adjust for your convenience while editing. Then using this background option, you can add a background for your logo. You can also add different patterns or upload your own image, or you can change a background color like this. Okay, here turn on the grid for better editing. Now add some shapes. I choose this circle. To resize this, just hold Ctrl and drag like this and change the color. And again I add one more circle, then change the color to white. Now let's add text. Choose heading. Here you can change the text font and change this color too. Then here you can resize the text size. Double click the text and edit the name you wish. You can freely move the text like this. No need to press or hold any keyboard buttons. Now I add subheading. And here you can add the different kinds of graphics. For now I add a shapes. I pick star. Click and hold Ctrl to resize the star. Okay, let's fit it here. Yeah, that's good. Then here you can save this project. For now, just click download. Then here select the format you wish. Usually I choose web optimized PNG. That's it. It's automatically downloaded to your file explorer. Now go to your YouTube channel and upload the downloaded logo like this. That's it. And if you want to know how to create a YouTube channel banner without using Photoshop means, watch this video.